Guys, especially on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, this is our family.
This is our family eats in Africa.
They will pour rice in one big bowl. Yeah. Then everybody will be eating with your hands.
With your hands, yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Hi, YouTube families. Welcome you up back to our channel. This is Happy One K Vlogs in the building.
It's your boy Priceless.
It's your boy Desmond. You already know what time is it.
It's your boy Brian looking fly once again. It's your boy Jeffrey in the building.
It's your girl Happy. It's your girl Trini.
It's your girl Trini in the building.
How you are doing?
How you are doing? How you are doing? Guys. We are back again with another Mukbang video. And guess what, guys? In today's video, we are going to be eating together. The family things, we are going to be doing family eating show today. So in today's video, we are going to be eating white rice, onion stew, and a big fish. We have fried dodo,
Plantain.
also known as plantain. So how you are doing? Thank you guys for the love, for the support. We say God bless you. And today's video, guys, we are going to be eating with our hands. The kids are going to be eating with their hands for the first time. Eating white rice with their hands because they have been eating pounded yam, all the other food with their hands, but they're not eating rice with their hands. So anyhow they are going to be eating it, just take it.
Fun.
Yeah, just take it.
Fun.
Anyhow you see it,
guys,
because they are going to be eating with their hands for the first time.
So
without wasting much of your time, guys, let's pray. In Jesus' name, Father, we thank you for another wonderful day like this. Thank you for providing for us. Provide for our viewers all over the world. Any eyes that sees our video, any area that lacking, Father, provide for them. As we eat this food, let's nourish our body and soul. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
So let's wash our hands.
So let's wash our hands and let the show begin.
Yeah. Okay.
Cleaners, please.
Cleaners, yeah. Yeah, clean your hand.
So guys, watch how we are going to be pouring the rice. So guys, we are going to be pouring the rice right now.
Wait, what?
So look at the way the rice is smoking.
I thought we were gonna take it from the bowl and.
Wow. That is so lovely. So mom is going to be dishing out the stew, the onion stew on top of the rice right now.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, you're singing away for Yes. Wow. Nice one.
That's what we.
This is onion stew, my children's favorites. They love it a lot. Yeah, Trini is eating already.
Yeah, very hungry.
Trini, you're very hungry? Okay. Good girl.
So we have shrimp, egg, chicken, all the stuff.
Egg.
So thank you guys for the love, for the support. We say God bless you.
How much chicken are you gonna be dishing?
That's what.
I'm sure you're going to all of it. Jeez.
We need some stew in this area.
This is delicious.
Yeah.
Let me put the fish first.
Okay.
Hold the plate.
Yes. Guys, look at the big tilapia.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Egg. We have two.
Daddy, did you catch that fish?
Yes, I catch the fish.
Daddy
Yeah.
wants fishing.
So he saw me when I catch the fish.
Daddy wants fishing.
How let Daddy catch that fish?
Because Daddy wants fishing.
Yeah, I don't want fishing.
Daddy, did
Guys,
you
get
catch that
ready.
fish?
We're
Yeah,
gonna
it's good.
dish
It's
it.
good. It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Guys, come closer. We are going to be diving in right now. Let's go.
Get
Go. So let's start to crunch this together.
Ooh, it's hot there. So
And our water.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking this out. Oh. Guys, this is the best. This is the best soup.
Are you hearing
My
that?
kids are eating with their hands for the first
First
time.
time.
yeah, it was in the hand, not too bad. Oh yeah, so delicious.
We're in Africa here.
No.
My kids are in Africa. Chidi said no.
You said no. Mm.
My water.
Daddy, can you bring water?
I have one glass here.
Junior, you want your
My
water?
water.
No.
Now when she asks,
Let me pour this one if somebody needs it.
I do.
Now?
I'm
I got some water.
for you.
Well, you got it.
no, that water is for you.
Me.
Thank you.
Me.
You're taking some water.
I want water.
Oh, yeah, there's the water. I'm gonna make a burger. So let's see. Let me get
So thank you guys for the love, for the support.
Yeah.
This still tastes so good.
Mm-hmm. No denying it.
I'll tell Daddy to
Guys,
keep
this
it
is
for
stew
you.
without seed tomato.
Tell
Make onion
Daddy
stew.
to keep it for you.
Have some shabo and
Daddy,
scotch bonnet.
Oh, just leave it there.
okay.
If you keep it,
Daddy, can you get me some meat? Try to like take with the rice and the stew.
Meat?
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting them and then
And I'm going to make a burger.
no, those water is not good there. You can just pour.
they can pour.
Mm-hmm.
So, on the top, put it down. Put it in.
Eliminated.
What is this soap? Soap I need. And then soap.
Are you eating?
Put it on.
Mm.
Guys,
Ooh. Look, we got some shrimp.
And
Guys, please come closer. Come and crunch with us.
let, guys, look at what I'm going to eat.
Mm. Sweetie, you are not eating? I feed you.
how do you guys like it with your hands?
Very good. For me, it's easy to eat.
Excellent.
It's easy. Eating rice with your hand.
For me, it's excellent.
Not that easy.
It's not that easy. The guy is telling the truth.
Because with rice,
With rice, you are not doing it before.
Yeah.
It's not that easy. We in Africa, like me and your daddy, we have been doing it right when we were little like you guys.
But when I was in Africa, I don't used to eat with rice with my hands. I eat with spoon.
yeah.
Me, I eat with hands sometimes, not every time with spoon, guys. I have to tell the truth.
You can't lie.
Yeah.
You cannot laugh.
What do you mean laugh?
Mm.
Let's eat dodo.
Yeah.
And eat.
I already finishing one
That's on
chicken.
there. If I let you finish what you can finish, no problem about that.
No, I didn't say anything about that.
So, and now I'll take rice. Oh, thank you guys.
Ooh, this food there.
And stew.
So guys, come closer. I'm really famished.
Me too. So that's why I'm just.
Oh, you are not eating wine. Why are you not eating?
It's
No,
delicious.
not to eat, eh? It's not
I
You are
apple.
not eating. Eat now. Look at so much food. You are not enjoying. The brothers are enjoying.
What is all this? Is it not stew?
Yes.
Come closer to me. This is how you're supposed to be taking rice. Not putting it in that side. Uh-huh. No, you don't have to do it. You turn your head back so that you will not pour it in your body.
Ah, that's good.
Because it's doing for the first time, you know? It's not easy.
You just have to take it and then.
It's not just easy, anyways. I know.
Super one.
I mean, when you started to do it, when you were little, was it easy or was
Because it's what we do in Africa, so it was not a thing I want to come and learn. Anytime they give you food, they will say go and eat. You have to wash your hand and start eating.
With your hands.
Mhm.
They could not eat the spoon.
You eat with spoon also, but
In
I
most
don't know how
cases,
to-
we eat with hands.
most cases.
Especially, guys, especially on Christmas Day. On
On
Christmas Day, this is how family
this
eats.
our family eats in Africa,
They will
yeah.
pour rice in one big bowl.
Train
Yeah. Then everybody will be eating with your hands.
with your hand, yeah. So we are used to it.
Yes. I remember that part in Africa. I always eat with my hands on Christmas Day.
This food, eh? I'm just demolishing it.
Friends, I still don't be putting it there.
Okay.
Just eat it direct.
How?
Mm. You don't have to put your whole fingers in your mouth.
Anyhow, she don't have to eat it. Let it eat. Because it's just
She's
learning
still
for the
trying
first
to
time.
get used to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's not easy.
Delicious.
Oh, all done. That's not easy, Daddy.
Hmm?
That's not easy.
Yeah. I'm eating. I want you right away.
No, she said that
No.
that's not easy.
Ah, okay.
Let me try to take like that. This is medium.
Yeah.
Daddy, my brain need not break.
I'm still not even full.
Daddy, you
So
know my...
nice.
Daddy, my brain need not break.
Your brain?
So guys, if up to now you're still watching with us, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and comment down below
Yeah.
if you want us to do more videos like this, family videos,
Exactly.
mukbangs, alma.
Like you will think that I'll be full already.
If you want Jeffrey to challenge me, if you want Jeffrey to challenge me also with more bank, so let me know in the comment section
No.
so that we can come
No.
for a challenge.
Yeah.
Or with Daddy also.
No.
Oh, that would be original.
Daddy and mommy versus Jeffrey and Divine.
So how do you think you can win that?
Which one win? Well, I do eat more than you.
I'm the skeleton.
For me, I eat more than mom.
Definitely be
Ah.
one.
So it'll be easy.
But me, I win Daddy every time.
Yeah.
Let's just stop.
He said that it's Jeffrey is the landlord.
Let's say, huh?
And that's a joke.
That's a joke of the century.
Joke on the same.
No. How come mommy eat more than daddy?
No, eat more than you know. When it comes to challenge, I can win him, you know.
So we got some fish, some tilapia
So we
fish.
got some fish. And we
Mommy,
got
me
fish.
too.
Be careful with the bone, okay?
Mommy, me too.
Bone. Let me help you. This bone.
I hope I can get the chicken.
This one is,
I'm putting daddy.
Can I have more water?
yeah, the one can, okay.
We are demolishing this rice and stew.
Look at it.
Well, I give mommy.
Welcome.
Here we go.
Done.
Ah. Where was asking for Dodo? Look at all the Dodos in front of him now.
Oh, really? So that's why it didn't finish.
People will come here.
Ooh, guys.
Look at
Look at this.
I don't like it.
You don't like shrimp? What about egg?
What is egg?
You don't know what is egg?
Egg. The egg.
Egg.
Guys, there's a lot of
Bone.
bone here, but my husband will say something if I begin to chew it.
I'll go.
You can chew it?
You can't do that.
I can't do that. No,
Why?
I know, I'm just joking.
I do like that. I'm amazing.
And if I crack bone, it's not a sin now.
The man also can crack bone.
Hmm?
The man can crack bone. Yes, me a crack bone. You know what you're saying?
Which time I can from bone?
Trini, you are not eating.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Oh yeah, water.
Oh, this food's a lot.
Daddy, can you keep boiling water?
No.
You're just not used to eating with my hands.
Yes.
Probably have to be
Ice
drinking
water.
water.
Yes.
And me.
You did not even ask.
And me. And me.
So what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm not sitting down.
You don't know the
No,
good
baby.
food.
Eat me. Eat me.
Are you eating the rice?
Don't tell me you guys are full now.
Nope.
Let's still continue to crunch.
Well,
Yeah, I'm ready for you.
Look at mom.
Come on, take.
Why are you looking at me?
Because I know eating. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you know, some person was writing the baby girl don't eat. Not that the baby girl don't know how to eat, guys, but it's making some shakara.
Yeah.
Do you know what is shakara? Yes. How will I explain that on you? Yeah. She know how to eat every food, but she's making like only the princess in the house. So whatever she needs, we always provide it for her. That is why sometimes if you ask her to come and eat, you will see her playing. She's not ready to do it.
Yeah.
I did not eat it.
It's too good. I cannot even stop.
Can I close my eyes, Daddy?
Guys, let's crunch it.
I'll be tissue, please.
Tissue.
Yes.
That's the place we need.
For what?
I think.
I need to.
You too
Don't
know.
drink water.
No, I didn't see.
Okay.
Wow.
Like my mouth is
Adi,
red.
are you?
Yeah.
Ah, me too.
Adi, I win
I'm
you.
rushing it, so I was full.
Adi, I win you
Ah.
already.
You does not eat anything.
Adi, I win you already.
Everybody's tired.
Okay, good then.
There is still more meat too.
Mommy.
Look at one more.
You got the
Uh,
butter.
I have enough. Are you not eating fish? Look at egg. That is, look at more egg.
Eat one last one. Before I go.
I eat too much.
Okay, that is the reason you are sneezing. I see.
Yeah, I'm over.
You are over full.
Yeah.
Me too.
Because I started to rush it and then.
Wow.
You want me
Again.
Me? Nah. You can overeat everybody. in this room.
Oh, I'm trying to get food.
Hello, look.
Okay.
This one rich.
Meat. Nah.
Look at
I need to live in a
chicken. Look at fish.
Oh, please. Let Daddy help you to bring it out. Don't go in there your hand.
Oh no.
At least I'm learning.
Excuse me.
Okay.
So do you want more? You want more?
You see? Yeah, food.
So,
You started saying that food before me.
I'm going to be signing off.
Okay.
So guys, if you have stayed up to this time with us, we say God bless you. We're going to be ending the video right now.
And guys,
Please like,
Share.
subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And share our video to all social media platforms, to your community, to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook. And as you do that, God will bless you. So, see you all in our next video. We say we love you from the bottom of our heart. We say bye-bye.
peace out.
Peace out.